meghalayapost.news
Kum kawai ka thong ban ai ka jingi trelang na ka mata ban te ka bha ka miat jong ka ri leng ba ka puli ka puthi ka Assam Royal Global University RGU Ïasoi Soskular MOU bat katnat pulit Meghalaya bandon ka ta ka jingi trelang ha ka bakan tiu ya kari ka Royal Global University Guwahati Ïasoi ka Soskular bat katnat pulit Meghalaya nen ka sngi ha ka Office Trikam ka Director General of Police hanong ba shillong harangkat ka jingdon lang kinong mikman na katnat pulit bat na ka Royal Global University ya ka Soskular Ïasoi ka kong ida shisha nongrang ka badai ka IPS berka Director General of Police ka Meghalaya nakaliang katnat pulin bor Dr. DN Singh ubadai Registrar Academic na ka Royal Global University habakuran halor ka Ïasoi Soskular ka DGP ka Meghalaya ka kong ida shisha nongrang kalong baga Ïasoi Soskular ka dai Bynta bandon ka trelang na ka Bynta ban kantiwe ka baha ka Miat jong ki jela bat kari bat kan airu ka toy na ka Bynta ka imlang ka salang hakaliang ka puli ka puthi.
It was a great pleasure that today we had this signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between Meghalaya Police and the Royal Global University. It is something that we have been working hard at, and I am sure that with the university and the facilities and the amenities that it provides would go a long way, and it would be something which the wards of the Meghalaya Police personnel would be really benefiting from. For all the students and the aspiring students who are looking at joining the Royal Global University, I would say try your very, very best. It is a university that has come up with leaps and bounds in the last few years, and I'm sure that with the vast choice of subjects and the vast number of schools that are there in the Royal Global University, it would be only fitting to have representatives from all over this country. I know that you have students from other countries as well, right? Yes. And you do have students from Meghalaya. I would just take this opportunity to encourage more and more students from Meghalaya to join the Royal Global University.
Thank you.
Thank you.
meghalayapost.news